Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing one of the wigs from Janet Collection's new Color Me collection. This is the Color Me Cute wig, and as soon as I got an email about it, I immediately reached out to Janet Collection. I was like, can I review this wig? Because this is absolutely stunning, beautiful, trendy, and unique. So if you're interested in seeing me try on and review this wig for you guys and show you two different styles that you can do with it that are both like really cute, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am so excited to try on this wig for you guys. This is from Janet Collection, like I said. It's from their Fashion Fantasy Hair Color Collection. There's 3 different types, and this is the Color Me Cute, and it is in the color PBGRAY/LIGHT.RBOW. This wig does come in 2 other styles, Color Me Chic and Color Me Pretty. Color Me Chic is a shorter type of bob, and Color Me Pretty is a longer, like the sexy curly type of wig. It comes in special colors for the summer, so you have rose gold, orange, mustard, blue, teal, just lots of different type of trendy type of colored wigs. So I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Hopefully I can get my hands on another one because I am absolutely in love, not only with the rainbow color, as you can see that is underneath the gray color that's on top, but also with the style and the quality of the wig. The quality of the wig is amazing. Janet Collection is one of my favorites. So as you can see, it does come with 2 clips on either side of the 6-inch deep part. There is a clip in the back, and it also comes with the standard bra straps. So there are a couple of things that I had to do to this wig to really make it look its best. I wanted it to really stand out because it's just a really cute wig, so I wanted it to look amazing. So I'm going to show you what I did. Nothing too serious, very quick, and the quality of the wig, like I said, is amazing, so it was very simple to do. The first thing that I'm going to do is pull out some of the hairs that are covering up the part. And I'm going to make the part look a bit wider in the front where it's closer to my forehead. I do this all the time. I've explained it in several of my wig reviews. So if you have watched me before, you probably know what I'm talking about. But I'm just taking my fingers and I'm just going to pull out the hairs that are covering up the part, especially the ones that are closest to my forehead, to make it wider in that front area closest to my forehead. And then that's what it looks like after I pluck a lot of the hairs out. You're going to see me go back in and pluck even more hairs out. I just do it with my fingers. You can also do that with tweezers if you are, a little scared to do it with your fingers, because you do not want to pull too hard or pull too many hairs out at once, because you can rip the lace. So as you can see, it's already looking a lot more natural, but I'm going to go in and pull out even more. I did pull quite a bit of hairs out just to widen that part just a little bit more, even though it is 6-inch deep part. I wanted it to stand out even more, and that to me just makes it look all the more natural. That's what we're going for. Natural, natural, natural. So now that I have those hairs pulled out, I'm going to go in with my Got to Be Glued Freeze Blasting Spray, and that's the only thing that I'm going to use to adhese this wig down to my head. I sprayed it right there at that closure, as you can see, right where I pulled most of the hairs out from the wig, and I'm just doing a little bitty tiny bit. I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to pull a few more hairs out where I see them, and then once it's dried, I'm going to reapply the spray for a second layer, and that's it. Alright, so I do love adding a little bit of extra shine to my wigs a lot of times, whether it's a human hair wig or a synthetic wig, because sometimes they can look a little dull and dry. So when that happens, I love doing this trick right here, which is taking the ORS Olive Oil Glossing Hair Polisher, and I'll just put some of that on my hands and then run that through the wig. And as you can see, that will just make it look a lot more shiny. I also feel like this makes the hair look more like African American type hair, especially with human hair wigs, because a lot of human hair wigs, the hair is not African American type hair. So we do add oil and those type of things to our hair. So this is just a quick trick that I do to really make it look like it's my natural hair. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see the peekaboo color that's underneath this beautiful grayish purple type of color that's on top. Such an innovative and unique wig. I got so many compliments on this wig, like so many, and I cannot stop wearing it. So it's really good quality. Like I said, it's really affordable and it's so trendy and unique. So I highly recommend this wig. I have a huge collection of wigs, as you can imagine, and this might be my new #1 favorite that I have. And this is the back of the wig. As you can see, the colors are a lot more prominent because this is where mainly the colors are. So even though the gray is on top, you can still see underneath, see through in the back. So those colors are very much out. This is the second simple style that you can do with this wig. Please ignore the stain on my shirt. I'm sorry about that. But all I did was take a hair clip, one of the ones that you can find anywhere like Walmart or the beauty supply, and I just clipped the hair half up so you can see those colors even better. So I hope you enjoyed this video once again, and yeah, I cannot wait to hopefully see you on my next one. Bye.